my channel. My name is Anugraha and I'm in 4th grade. My summer vacation started and I started learning FreeCodeCamp and decided to make a YouTube channel so I can share the things I've learned with you. Today I'll show you how to do the tasks of FreeCodeCamp. Let's get started. So first let's do the basic one. Introduction to basic HTML and HTML5. Introduction to basic HTML and HTML5. HTML or Hypertext Markup Language is a markup language used to describe the structure of a web page. Here, let's look at this example. This is this opening tag. And this is the closing tag. There is a difference between the opening tag and a closing tag. A opening tag does not have a slash, but a closing tag has a slash. Okay, so let's just go to the first lesson and I'll show you the next one. Okay, so here we're going to do basic say hello to the HTML elements. This is basically where we start the basic one. So first, this HTML H1 closing tags. So our goal is to pass the test on this challenge. To pass it, we need to change our H1 elements text to say hello world. So this is how it looks. This is the screen where it comes, and this is the screen where we program. Now they said to do hello world. So hello world. So see, it came hello world in here. Now let's try to run the test. Yay, we got it correct. Now let's submit and go to the next challenge. Now, H1 elements are often used for main headings, while H2 elements are generally used for subheading. There are also H3, H4, H5 and H6 elements to indicate different levels of subheadings. Okay, now our goal here is to add an H2 tag that says cat photo app to create a second HTML element below your hello world in H1 element. For this, the process is easy. Just follow the rules, but just put H2. Close it and write cat photo app. Now we just need to close the whole thing. So this is how the closing one looks. H2. Now let's try and run the tests. Yay, we did it! Now let's submit and go to the next challenge. Now for this we need to do a paragraph. P elements are the preferred element for a paragraph text on website. P is short for paragraphs. So a paragraph element, this is an example of a paragraph element. So our goal is to create a paragraph element below your H2 element and give it the text hello paragraph. So as a convention, all HTML texts are written in lowercase. For example, this one, and not like this, not in caps, just in lowercase. So let's start. So first, let's write a P. Now close it. Now let's write hello paragraph. Hello paragraph. And now let's close it completely. P and just close. Now we are going to run the tests. Now we got it correct. Yes, it's good. Fill in the blanks. Now we are going to do fill in the blanks with a placeholder text. Now, web developers traditionally use lorem ipsum text as a placeholder text. So here, the lorem ipsum text is scrapped from a famous passage by the Cicero of ancient Rome. Now, let's see the goal. Replace the text inside your P element with the first few words of the Skitty Ipsum template. Okay, now let's see. Instead of this hello paragraph, we're going to delete that. We don't need that. we're going to put this whole paragraph. Yes, I'm just gonna copy it so it's directly over here. No, it's over here. So now it's P makes it like a paragraph. So now let's run the tests. Now this is it for this video, and now we'll continue in the next video and I'll show you more tasks. So bye.